Hello friends, it's Reza. You've come to channel Reza Blade, and I've got another quick and dirty review for you today. But before I do go into that, I am going to give you a kind of a lineup of what we have coming up in the next few videos. Now, I'm thinking, I know you guys are going to think I'm crazy, but because I have this much to go through as far as reviews go and swatches and everything, as well as 4 or 5 items I can review that, but I'm not showing you today. I could do another 30 and 30. So I will keep you abreast of that should the decision happen. But I love your comments below to tell me what you think. Anyway, I am sorry that this is only the second review this week, but I just wanted to get back as soon as I could after I was not feeling well for almost a week. So sorry about that, but we do have a bunch of good stuff coming up. So make sure you're subscribed. Click that notification button to find out when I'm coming out with new videos, because you're going to want to know. So the American Pride Winstonia plate is the plate that we're reviewing today. We've got such a quick glimpse, such a tiny size of the plate. It's not tiny, I have smaller, but it's small enough that I have just shown you more than half of the plate while I've been talking. So these are the items on top of the plate, and then we have one more row down there of great images for your nails. We've got a bunch of things like the bald eagle and the Statue of Liberty, a shooting star that can be enlarged and used for multi-purpose things. Don't forget my enlargement video when it comes time for you to do that. I hope that helps. It should. Anyway, we've got hearts and stars and stripes, some stars, and some more stars and stripes. So there's that plate. Let's get to the swatches and show you my mani, and I can show you all the other good stuff I have to show you. So here are our swatches. That stamp's better than that. I'm actually wearing that stamp on my mani, so I can show you. This I used stamping polish that was not stamping polish, just really thick regular polish, and I tried it again in stamping polish, and it looks much better. This still isn't my go-to fireworks plate. I have some better ones, not that they come to my mind offhand, but there we go. A flag and some of the other images I just showed you and talked about on the plate, those tiny little sticks. All right, so that's what I have for the swatches, and here is my mani. I hope you enjoy it. Here's the thumb. I used the stars, and I used the stars and stripes first image. Now, as far as polishes go, if you wanted to know, the standard hollow, silver hollow I have here is by Color Club. It's Harp on it. And then the red and the blue are from Different Dimension. They come out, or they bring out each year, their 4th of July, or at least the past 2 years they have, their 4th of July combo of colors. There's a red hollow and a blue hollow. I don't know those names offhand. They're things like My Country 'Tis of Thee and that sort of thing. They're longer. So I don't remember them quite exactly, but it should be on their website. They usually have it there. All right, so coming up, I've just got some bundle monsters in the mail. I have some older ones and a couple of new ones as far as release date of the plates. So these are fun. I don't need this plate for the Dreamcatcher or the Arrows image, but I really like this geometric image here. I like that fox or cat, actually. I don't know which it is. Maybe cat. Anyway. So I also really like these poppies, and I really love these cherry blossoms. So, and everybody can use another marble. So that's why I got this plate. We have their tie-dye special edition plate that recently came out. And these are intended to look like tie-dye patterns. Looks like a really fun plate, very adaptable. and that's special FXBM XL465. The Pauline's Passions collab plate was BM XL216. All right, we've got a baseball plate, which is a must each summer, I think, and I actually don't have any baseball images at all before I got this in the mail. So that's pretty exciting. We've got Twice Star's famous collab plate with Bundle Monster, the kind of Little Mermaid one. It's XL211. So we've got a great mermaid. We've got a couple dingle hoppers down there. Little Mermaid reference. And we've got a beautiful ship with gulls. I mean, that's a great image. So I really am excited to get this plate. That's one of the best, my favorite water texture stamps I've ever seen, I think. All right, the last one is BMC plus Black Queen Nails, design BM XL221. All right, so we've got some women. I love this spider web and woman with a bun in front of it. Like, that is so cool. I love that. Got some great floral images here. If you picked up the woman with tape here, you could get a really fun sort of bordering the nail image with that just on its own, those flowers. All right, so Messerdu must have heard my disappointment at their previous set, because I gotta tell you, the 51 through 60 series is so fun. And so just take a look at these and tell me if you like the image selection better. I do. I'm pretty excited. All sorts of really adaptable images. Here's some flowers. Those would be cool to color in. We've got their obligatory Messerdu skull plate. They always seem to have at least one with skulls in there. That's a woman with a bunch of skulls. That's pretty neat. All right. Okay, the hearts plate. Lots of flowers again. I'm really disappointed that this is a number tile, because if they hadn't taken that spot out for the number, I think this would probably be one of my favorite tiles on the plate. But now you can only do the top half. Oh well. I really like this fish and that algae, or whatever it is, seaweed. All right, I love these masks. This is great. I can't wait to swatch this one. That I think that's a woman, but she looks like she's got a mustache. All right, beautiful fairy plate. Playing tug of war with a bird. All right. Lovely zodiac plate. I mean, if you buy this in the bundle set, it would be like $1.60, you know, 1/10 of the, I think they're around $15.60 or something like that. Anyway, but if you divide that by 10, that's only $1.50 for that cool zodiac plate. And, you know, Born Pretty, who's our other inexpensive option, they think they sell that on their site for $5. Those two plates. They have two zodiac plates, in case you were wondering. Really neat. Really neat. I'm loving these. All right. That's a cool one, too. So, we have a new brand on, or newer brand, with expensive for Ali Express plates. These ran around $3.75 each. But they are, the reason I got them is to show you these plates as an example of, and I'm not judging, I'm just giving you all the facts, plates that are not original. So they are pretty expensive, but they are less expensive usually than the ones they're duping. This is a dupe of I think a Bundle Monster collab plate. That this one is called Mr. Fox LB006. And I am going to swatch and review those. I just want you to be aware of what these are. This is an exact dupe of a Creative, Clear Jelly Stamper plate. And this one, I don't know what they're copying because I have a lot of unicorn plates and I haven't checked them all. But I don't think I actually have this exact plate. They could have collated unicorns from a number of different brands. But yes, this Mr. Fox is a dupe brand. And they are duping some very nice plates. So those of you who seek that out, be aware that's out there. Those of you who don't want to stumble on it and accidentally buy it if it's, you know, exactly a dupe, then I want you to be aware of that too. So that's both sides of the coin. I hope I'm helping by sharing that information. All right, this is a Bundle Monster one. I really just wanted a roller derby plate. Here are some more of our Z-Joy plates I have to swatch and review. We've got a layered butterfly plate here. That's Z-Joy 058, and that other one was Z-Joy 049. And then this one is Z-Joy 054. And we've got a Q-Girl 036 plate that I got from Nail Hoot when I ordered a bunch of polish from them. That's another review I have coming up. I got, I think, 7 of their polishes. So I wanted to tell you about those and be aware that that is coming too. So last one we have a Z-Joy 020, which is the trees. So I don't know whether to do a review on this or wait, just lump it in with my next Milieu London ones that I get. But this is Princess Collection 09. I got this, picked this up off a D-stash, and I haven't swatched it for you yet. I don't think. If I have, let me know. That would be great. One less to do. All right, Leslie. I wanted to try out a Leslie plate for you guys because I know they are available to us in the U.S. So this is Leslie and Kombucha Witches collab plate. It's their number 31. Can you see the 31? It doesn't matter. That's fine. And I wanted to try out a Go-Go only from Amazon for you guys. So we have Saint Happy. And the reason I picked out Saint Happy, because of course it's got all the zodiac symbols at the bottom. So those are off Amazon. Anyway, so that is what I have coming up for you guys. Let me know if you enjoy that I gave you a little preview. Let me know if you have an opinion on the 30 and 30 thing. And anything else you want to know. If you have an opinion on whether I schedule my videos thing, let me know. I can arrange to have them released at a certain time and day. And I noticed a lot of people did do that, so I wanted to see what you guys thought. Anyway, make sure you're subscribed. Find me on Instagram. That would be great. I do Inspiration Manis all the time. And I hope you like my mani. I hope you like the actual plate this is a review for, Winstonia American Pride. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye.